Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda and we are here with another video. This is going to be a very fast room tour video just to give you an idea if you're decorating a room for boys. I was going for a very minimal look because my kids are still very young and they tend to jump and climb things, so I didn't want any clutter in the room. But before we get into this video, make sure to like, give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so each time I upload a video you get notified. Now, as you can see, I have two twin beds here, one for MK, one for Snow. The bed and the mattress was gotten from Wayfair. I would leave links to every single thing that I have in this room in the description box. So I got it during Black Friday sales on a very big bargain. So tip number one would be get your items when it's on sale. So I got the two beds and the two mattresses, and then on the walls I wanted to decorate it. I didn't want anything that would be hanging like pictures because they could pull it down, or tables or lanterns. So I wanted something that would stick to the wall that would be difficult for them to take down, and that was why I wanted to go with stickers. I got the stickers and the snowflakes from Amazon. You can check that out. Everything will be in the description box like I said. So I went for dinosaurs because MK loves dinosaurs. Snow is still at the age where he doesn't like so many things, so I wanted something that would represent him, so I decided to go with blue snowflakes because his name is Snow. And yeah, that's it. Their teddy bears we are gotten from Target, I believe, and then the dinosaurs we are gotten when we went to Jurassic Park Dinosaur Adventure outing with the kids. Their bed sheets was gotten from Bed Bath and Beyond, and then the duvet and the cover was gotten from Walmart. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. This is just, a quick room tour for you to have an idea if you have kids that are still young and you still want to make their room look cute. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Check out other videos, share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.